Hi, I'm Andrew, and thanks for watching this video. If you want to understand it better, you can hit the CC button and you can see the subtitles as you listen. If you want to improve your listening skills, just listen. And I'll see you on the other side of this video. So let's go through again and listen and repeat. For 0, do you want a banana? Do you want a banana? And the voice goes up. Do you want a banana? Do you want a banana? Do you? Do you? Not ya, y. Y. That y sound, do you? That is, what's the first sound? D. D. You can see that, right? I'll make that a bit bigger. Focus. So that's a D sound. What's the next one? Do you? Do you? Look at the pronunciation guide in the back. Do you? So what number is that? The next one. What number is that? Do you want a banana? So the next one is number, I think 4, but short. And then next, yep. Yep, what number is that? What number is that? The y sound. Yeah, 44. And then, so the sound, really, really short sound, what number is that? Nope. Nope. Yep. The sound is the shortest sound in English. Also, it's the most common sound in English. And so it's a really important sound. So we have a name for it. It's called schwa. Yeah, schwa. My favorite word, schwa. So dear. And it's not number 10, the sound. It's a really, really small sound. Dear. Do you wanna? Do you wanna? Do you want a banana? Good. And number 1. What do you want to do tomorrow? What's this sound? Schwa. Great. Wanna. What's this sound? Wanna. Schwa, yeah. What do you want to do tomorrow? What do you want to do tomorrow? Okay, and listen and repeat. What do you want to do tomorrow? 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 Good job. Number 2. Do you mind if I join you again? Do you mind if I join you again? Join you. What's this? Schwa. Join you. Join you again. Join you again. Join you again. Yep. Mind if I. With a f sound. Really important to remember to put the upper teeth on lower lip. If I. Look at me. If I. If I. Mindify. Mindify. Do you, sorry, what is it? Do you mind if I? 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 Good, and practice. And then this sound, what's this sound? Do you mind? Schwa, yeah. All right, number 3. Have you done your homework? This sound, what's this sound? Ah. Ah. What number is ah? Number 9. Don't make the number 10 sound, the sound, number 9 sound, ah. Have you, what's this sound? Yeah, schwa. Have you done ya? Schwa. And this sound, the v sound, again, teeth on lip, have ya. Have ya. Have ya. Have you done your homework? Good. Have you done your homework? Good. And practice with your partner. All right. And next, what's this sound? Ah. I had a, what's this sound? Schwa. I had a bit, schwa, trouble. I had a bit of trouble. I had a bit of trouble. Sounds good. All right, then number 5. I think this is easy. Is that all? Is that all? Is that all? Is that all? Is that with a ah? Is that all? Is that all? Good. Number 6. I don't know. I don't know. What's this sound? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Schwa. Usually, the word have, the v sound is really usually changed to a f sound. And remember, upper teeth on lower lip, have to, with a ah sound. Have to. Have to. Good. We'll have to ask the teacher. The teacher. The teacher. Ask the teacher. Have to. Have to ask the teacher. That's also schwa. Schwa. Okay, next. Do you want to join me for a coffee? And we did this before in number 0. Do you want to join me for a coffee? Do you want to join me for a coffee? Good. Then enjoy your week. Enjoy your week. Great. And so, quick practice one more time. Listen and repeat from 0. Do you want a banana? What do you want to do tomorrow? And remember the th sound. Do you mind if I join you again? Good. Remember the a sound and the v. Have you done your homework? Good. Have you done your homework? Sounds good. Number 4. Remember the a sound. I had a bit of trouble. I had a bit of trouble. Good. That sounds great. And then number 5. Is that all? Good. Sorry. I don't know. We'll have to ask the teacher. Remember the th sound? Have to. With a a. Have to. Good. Have to ask. We'll have to ask the teacher. Good. Do you want to join me for a coffee? Remember the schwa here. Do you want to join me for a coffee? Good. Enjoy your week. Sounds great. I think you'll do well. So now practice with your partner. Let's go. Okay, so we'll practice this in a different way. I need the help of someone. Someone, just listen and tell me if I said it right or if I said it wrong. Okay? So, I'll say it and you tell me if it's right or wrong. Do ya mind if I join you again? Is that right? Do you mind if I join you again? Do you mind if I join you again? Yes. And then switch.
Do you mind if I join you again?
Perfect. Oh, wow. Okay, you choose the next one. Anyway, understand?
Yeah.
Great. And practice that with your partner. Go. And thanks for watching. I hope you learnt something. Please hit subscribe so you can get more videos and notifications so you can be told when the next video comes out. Also, you can ask your questions in the comments below and I do answer them. And also help other people with their questions if you can. And tell other people that this video is here and others like it. And I hope to see you in the next video. Enjoy.